So yeah, I did a really stupid thing. I broke this tablet. I dropped it, and after 7 years of working as a clock, the screen broke, or so I thought. Luckily, it's just the digitizer. It's glass, while the screen is just plastic. So yeah, I took off the digitizer, and to my surprise, the screen is matte. So this is really awesome. Oh, this is just a piece of hot glue. Nothing to worry about. It's not cracked or anything. It attracts dust, but it's a matte screen. It's matte. It has no reflections, and you can see it. I was just amazed by this this coincidence, or how should I say. I broke it, and something good came of it. What do you call that? Irony? So this tablet cost us $30. It was discounted by $70. Normally it would have been $100. And yeah, 7 years serving as a desk clock. A couple of firmware rewrites. When it blocked, it crashed. But then it worked again after the reflash. How do you call it? Reflash. All the software had to be rewritten about 5 times maybe. And now it still works if I don't connect to the internet. If I connect to the internet, it will say all sorts of things to me. Like Android 4 is no longer supported for this, for that, for the other. Please update the operating system. And of course, because it's a single core, very old tablet, it doesn't want to update. It has just 500 megabytes of RAM and 2 gigabytes of storage, I think. Yes, 2. So it has no chance. Okay, so a valid question is, how do I use it if I don't have a touchscreen? Well, I have a dongle here, OTG, or what do you call it, on the go. And I connect the mouse to it. I tried the keyboard, but with the keyboard I can't open it. So with a mouse, here's a mouse. This is connected to it, and if I right click, it will appear. Yeah, there it is. There's the mouse on the lower part of the 5. Yeah, so with this I can do all sorts of things. I can go to the main screen, I can drag the window, everything you can do with the touch screen. And also, if I lock the screen, I lock it. And I want to unlock it, I press the button, and oh no, I don't have a touch screen, how will I do it? Well, here's the mouse and I pull it. Problem solved. So I can go here to the task manager, back to the clock, and here we are. And after it's open, it's set up properly, I just disconnect the dongle and plug in a charger cable. And it can serve as a clock, and now visible from all angles, because it doesn't reflect all lights. Maybe if it's in direct light, like this, you don't see the middle. But that's it, you see all the other numbers, letters, whatever. So yeah, fortunate mistake. Oh, what I should also show you. So here's the digitizer, and this one was the right cable. There's another cable, which is the screen cable in the middle. You don't have to disconnect that, you need that for the screen. This is the digitizer. And it's not really a big problem if you remove it. So yeah, matte screen, broken digitizer. I think this was a win. Definitely a win. It doesn't look pretty. I'll have to cover it with something. But for right now, I hot glued the screen to the case and I will cover it with something. I don't know. Or maybe it will stay this way to remind me to be more careful with really cheap, crappy tablets in the future. Oh yeah, this is kind of nice surprise anyway. So yeah,